Yeah, small game and 2 turkey tags. So my goal this first afternoon is to try to locate something. I'm not gonna hunt, I'm just gonna bounce around a bunch of places, hopefully find a couple birds, and then set up on them in the morning. All right, I got one or two located over here. I think looking at the map, it looks pretty simple. There's like a road here, and then there's another road that comes up over sort of on a ridge right over there. And right on the other side of that ridge over there, it opens up. So I think probably like right on that road, just sort of like right about in there should be a good spot. But at least there's a bird. I'm just trying to find birds right now. I think you get in here, you find some birds. Don't even bring your gun. Just get some birds located. Get a game plan and then go for it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a longbeard right there. All right, first day in Idaho. Man, this guy gobbled like crazy today. I located him yesterday. He was gobbling like crazy last night, so I had a pretty good feeling he'd be gobbling good today. Gobbled a bunch on the tree, flew down, worked his way up, and man, I mean, there were a few times you'd call and he'd be just double gobbling back. So you know he was a hot bird. Pretty nice bird, nice tom. Got pretty good spurs on him. Might go close to an inch. Definitely a nice 3-year-old bird. Not a very good beard, just like maybe a 7-inch beard. Nothing special on the beard. So I was set up right up at the top of this road, right in those trees right there. There's a road that comes along right there, and I have my decoys placed right there. My Jake decoy was right there. So this guy had to have, as he was walking up this road, had to have seen that Jake decoy. Came up this road, and I was set up right there. Once he got in this gap right here, he looked a little nervous to me. Looked a little nervous right there. I've got a couple cameras out. So I don't know if he saw me. Obviously I couldn't call. Wasn't quite sure, so I took the shot. I don't know why he didn't, when he saw that Jake decoy, didn't just run right up, right at it. Usually that's what they do. This bird, he had a hen with him. Right when I shot, another bird flew, so I'm pretty sure it was a hen. It could have been another tom, but I was just hearing one gobble. But they were roosted up over here, flew down, and then they came up this road right here. It's private. You can see that yellow sign. It's private ground right there. So I was right on the edge where I can hunt up here, but I can't hunt that right down there. Obviously an ideal, if I had to do it over again, I would have set up maybe like right behind that clump right there. And have my decoys out here, but it's so tough to know with these turkeys. I knew he was on this ridge right here. I knew this was going to be a good spot because I had the road coming up here, had the road up there in case he was going around. He could come down that road at me. But obviously if I was set up right there, it would have been an easy deal. But yeah, that guy flew down, must have flew down right over there, came up to here pretty quick. And then he hung up here for quite a while. He was hung up for about 15 minutes, just right down in this opening. I could hear him drumming. I mean, he would just, when you hear that gobble, it's just right there. I mean, I knew he was right here. I could have just crawled over the edge and shot him, but you know, I'm not gonna do that.